Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today's video is super important for all of you using the CEX.io bot or project, whatever you want to call it. We covered some basics in a previous video, but today we're going through a crucial step. If you miss this one, you won't be able to withdraw any tokens or complete other important actions. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Alright, so let's get into it. We mentioned earlier that the bot, CEX.io, is actually linked to a platform with the same logo and branding. So to be able to withdraw your tokens, you need to register on that platform. Here's how you can do that. Go to the Google Play Store or any app store on your phone, type in CEX.io, and the app should show up just like this. Once you see it, go ahead and download it. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll see an option to create an account. You can sign up using a Google account or Gmail. I'll go with Gmail for now to keep things quick, and I'll come back to you after that's done. After setting up your account, the app will prompt you to verify your identity. You'll click on Verify to start. The first step involves entering your country, zip code, city, and address. Here's a tip. Make sure to get the country correct. For the zip code, you can look it up on Google or enter any valid one. It's pretty flexible here. Once all the address details are in, hit Next. You'll need to enter your phone number next. After entering it, hit Next. Now, here's the next critical step. You'll be asked to upload a form of ID, either a passport, national ID, or driver's license. Choose the one you have and select your country before tapping Next. The app will request camera access so you can take a photo of your ID. Once the app scans your ID, it might autofill some details. Just make sure they look correct. After this, it'll ask you to enter your document's expiration date. Here I'll type in the date to keep moving. Make sure to use the correct one. Now they'll ask for a selfie with your ID. Once you upload that, you should be good to go. You'll now be verified, meaning your account is fully set up for any withdrawals once tokens are listed. If you see any additional verification options, those are optional and aren't required for the basic setup. Just having this ID verification is enough to get started. And that's it. We're all done here. I made this video to walk you through each step since a lot of you had questions. Just make sure you're on Telegram with us so you can stay updated on any potential solutions we find. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.